Hi guys! So this is my report sa Physics 2. So magandang araw or magandang hapon or magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So di ko pa alam kung anong oras nung ipahiling tong video na ito. So sana mag-enjoy ka mo sa lesson natin for today. So tara na guys, let's go, manood na tayo. So ang title ng report ko for today is Understanding Electrical Circuits from Diagrams to Calculation. So we're going to understand electrical circuits as well as we're going to compute two in a bit. So, ang objectives po ng report na to is to draw circuit diagrams with power sources, cell or battery, switches, lamps, resistors, fixed and variable, fuses, ammeters, and voltmeters. The second objective is to evaluate the equivalent resistance, current, voltage in a given network of resistors connected in both series and dun sa parallel. So, ano nga ba ang circuit diagram? So, a circuit diagram is a simplified visual representation of an electrical circuit that uses standardized symbols to show components like power sources and resistors, and lines to represent wires. So, in a bit, malalaman natin kung ano ba yung mga components na yun, kung ano ba yung mga silbi ng mga components na yun sa circuit diagrams. It is used for designing, constructing, and troubleshooting circuits by providing a clear symbolic blueprint of how components are connected and how electricity flows. So, ang circuit diagrams ay may dalawang types, series and parallel. So, number 1, ano ba yung series na circuit diagrams? So, in a series circuit diagram, components are connected end-to-end, creating a single pathway for electric current flow. So, isang ikot lang po siya ni current. So, this means the same current passes through every component, and the voltage drop across each component adds up to the total voltage of the source. So, ang yamin po dito is, sarong flow lang po siya ng current. It's parang nakapalibot lang siya. Walang paliko, walang paliko. Straight lang siya. Paikot. Straight. So, this means that the same current passes through every component. And the voltage drop across each component adds up to the total voltage of the source. Next one is the parallel. A parallel circuit diagram shows an electrical path that branches into two or more separate roads for current to flow through. So, kung i-compare na to ang parallel sa series, kung yung series, wala siya ng paliko-liko and sarong flow lang siya. Uya po, sa parallel is, iba pa siya ng mga divisions. And, kung mapapansin mo, pwede siyang 2 or more. So, yun. So, in a parallel circuit diagram, components are connected across the same two common points, meaning the voltage across each component is the same. Current divides among the branches, and if one path is broken, the others remain operational. So, mas ideal na gamiton ang parallel na circuit sa tuyang mga hayong tanganing. Pag halimbawa, igwaning na uyag na sarong ilaw, yung sarong part lang na yun talaga ang maapektuhan. So, mahihiling nato ang differences ninda. So, sa series circuit, linear pathway na siya. So, very straight lang. Voltage divides. So, halimbawa, yung yamin na ga-divide yung voltage sa series circuit. Syempre, diba, ang analogy natin dyan, igwa kita ng pitsil. Tapos, yung pitsil na yon diit lang yung tubig. So, for example, syempre, yung sa series parallel circuit, pag iuula mo kunyari yung tubig duman sa baging agihan papunta uya sa light bulb, syempre mahahati yung energy na yon or yung tubig na yon. So, ang magiging epekto, yung ibang light bulbs magiging mailaw, tapos yung iba na naman magiging dim or low light. So, ang sabi doon is banga yung energy na nakukuha sa series circuit. Ikumpara nato sa parallel circuit na multiple pathways. Tapos, ang voltage niya is constant. So, ang analogy nato para sa parallel circuit is may gripo. So, kunyari, ang analogy nato sa parallel circuit diagram, kunyari, igwa kita ng gripo. Tapos, ang mangyayari, yung gripo na yon lalagyan ta siya ng maging parang hose na may tulong tuho. And then, malaag kita uyan ng tulong baso. So, ang mangyayari, ang magiging effect is mapupuno yung baso equally. And same ang matataong voltage sa inda. Equal. Yan. Yan yung analogy na to para sa parallel.